In 2024, the ACME Sign Repair team visited Burning Man with the one goal of replacing as many stolen or missing Black Rock City street signs as humanly possible. The team was staffed by Leeway and Cabbage Patch. The replacement signs were handcrafted out of wood and attached by any means necessary to what was left of vandalized signposts. The new signs were designed for easy reading, thus helping many a burner find their way through the city day and night. From August 27th to August 30th, the ACME team visited all 300 intersections in Black Rock City, repaired 73 of those sites while replacing a total of 103 signs. Here are those intersections. So don't be a dick. Don't rip the signs down like some kind of uncreative slob.